Welcome to Expert SCM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we will see a term called back order. A back order is an order for a goods or service that cannot be filled at the current time due to lack of available supply. The item may not be held in the company's available inventory but could still be in production, or the company may need to still manufacture more of a product. The back order is an indication that the demand for company's product outweighs its supply. They may also be known as company's backlog. The nature of the back order and the number of items on the back order will affect the amount of time it takes before the customer eventually receives the ordered product. The higher the number of items back ordered, the higher the demand for the item generally. Just because they may lack the supply of inventory, that does not mean companies can't operate on back order. In fact, companies can still do business even if they don't have inventory on the books. Keeping products on back order helps boost demand, retain and increase customer base, and creates value for their products. Advantages of back order could be: the term back order may conjure up negative images, but there can be positives to businesses that have these orders on the order book. Keeping a large supply of stock requires storage space, which in turn requires money. Companies that don't have their own storage center have to pay for services to hold inventory in external place. By keeping a small amount of stock in supply and the rest on back order, alleviates the need for excess storage and therefore reduces the cost. Problems with the back order: if a company consistently sees item in back order, this could be taken as a signal that company's operation are far too lean. It may also mean company is losing out on business by not providing the products demanded by the customer. If a customer sees products on back order and notices this frequently, they may decide to cancel order, forcing the company to issue refunds and adjust their books. Thanks for watching. Bye.